Just in, artificial intelligence has officially taken over your job. Yes, your own job.
We're live at the accounting department, where AI just automated 90% of staff duties.
Take this thing away from my face.
In a similar style, the fashion industry is also in shock.
AI just designed an entire fashion line in 3 minutes. Designers are now influencers.
And finally, education.
Students are now learning from AI tutors, while teachers, on the other hand, are learning how to code.
Will you keep quiet? Give us our job! Give us our job! Give us!
It is finished. AI don't collect everything finish.
The future isn't coming. It's here, and it's not waiting for anyone.
Join the 18 weeks AI NOW Bootcamp, where you learn to innovate, automate, and dominate the future. Register now at www.theincubatorng.org. Buy the future before it buys you. This initiative celebrates Pastor Folu Adeboye at 77, a legacy of faith, leadership, and women's empowerment. Powered by the Incubator Hub.